My name is Robert Siders. I'm a building engineer and I have need of an electric tool cart to push my tools around for me. In order to steer it, I want to build a Sulkey from a used bicycle. I'm going to cut it up and weld parts in order to, by only pivoting my legs, steer this tool cart. By using the right or left brake handles, I can control the direction in which it travels, alternately squeezing one or the other and allowing the cam to grab from the front to the back. Using a sulky in the back creates high maneuverability and zero clearance turns, as you can see. This tool cart is useful to those who are unable to push a tool cart and materials due to a physical or medical condition that prevents doing so. The tool cart has storage for the batteries and controller, as well as a large full-size file drawer. There is a full-length shelf inside for tool and material storage as well. This tool cart can carry a ladder from 4 feet to 6 feet and other materials on top. It goes up to 12 miles per hour. This tool cart was created with recycled parts. The handle grips that you see me holding were from a base used for a large power supply. The file cabinet in the middle is on its side that was discarded by an office. The three-wheeled scooter was donated as well, not being used by another company. The brake handles were put in with a V-brake caliper on each side to control the speed and the forward or reverse direction in which it goes. I am a building engineer at the place at which I work. I have needs to carry many materials, and this allows me to do my job with the condition I have.